Well, hi, everyone. Thanks for coming to WeAreIowa.com for your weather forecast. We still have an ice storm warning out for northwestern, north central Iowa. That's where the icing is expected to be the worst. And we could have some problems in this little area right here, that little buffer zone. That's a winter weather advisory. Still maybe a few issues there, especially early on and early tomorrow morning. But let's take a look at the futurecast here. We are going to see all rain in the metro. No worries about that. At least tonight through tomorrow, it's going to be above freezing. We've got that freezing line right along Carroll, Fort Dodge. That's expected to be where the zone will be. As we go through time, you can see the freezing rain kind of in that salmon color, and the model's kind of mixing in rain there, and that may happen, but it's going to be freezing rain or rain in this area. The only snow is really off to the northwest where it's colder in the atmosphere. We have these northeast winds coming in, so it's going to keep it kind of chilly. As we go through the day, though, the low pressure is going to be coming up into Iowa, so you can see that rotation around it. If the southerly winds make it to Des Moines, we will probably warm up, and I do expect that to happen in the afternoon as we push into the 40s in the afternoon, at least for a little while, as we warm up ahead of this system that's coming in from the west. We are going to see a wraparound snow with that, so there will be some snow coming in as we go into late Tuesday and Wednesday. Wraparound snow showers continue right through the day on Wednesday. We could have some minor accumulations in the metro. Northern Iowa may pick up about an inch or two. Let's break it down here. First of all, rainfall, because that's what we are going to see in the metro, and there could be a lot of it. I mean, I think somebody's going to get over an inch of rain from this system. And again, thunder is possible, especially tonight here in central Iowa. The Futurecast ice forecast, and you can see that little zone just off to the west and northwest of Fort Dodge and Carroll. That's probably where the heaviest icing will be, and that could put down some trees and some power lines and could have some real issues, of course, on the roadways as well. Good news is temperatures aren't going to be really cold. They're not going to be in the low 20s, for example. So hopefully the roads won't be too bad, but there will be some icy areas for sure, especially elevated surfaces like on decks and things like that. Now, looking at the Futurecast snowfall, you can see most of it's going to be in northwest Iowa, several inches expected there. And then you get closer to the metro, we're looking at less than an inch in most of central Iowa. It'll be Carroll and Fort Dodge where you have the best chance of seeing that snow. And that's toward the end of the event. Rainy and cool tonight, freezing rain to the north, 36 with rain, likely 100% chance, and thunder is definitely a possibility. A few showers around Tuesday. We could have also some fog or drizzle around in the morning, especially as those winds switch to the west and the colder air will start to come in the afternoon. So temperatures will fall after that. Now, looking at your 10-day forecast sponsored by Holt Plumbing and Heating, we have a few snow showers still lingering on Wednesday. There might be a flurry or two Thursday morning. I think we see sunshine late in the day on Thursday. Friday looks pretty good. The weekend gets a little cooler, but right now it's looking drier. It was looking like we could have a system on Saturday, but right now I think that's going to stay to our south. And next week is looking pretty good with highs near 40 degrees.